So my athlete's microcycle will look a little like this one. This is just an example of what a week would look like. And the goals of each week would be stabilization. So like just to stabilize your muscles, for example, like dumbbell bench press to have more control of the dumbbells after he starts with me. Um, the foundations of movement, so just to understand what we're going to be doing with each exercise, and to know what it means and what he's actually doing. So each mesocycle will look a little bit like this one. Another example right here. And the goals for this is to see a little bit of weight change. What I want to see is a change, 1 to 2 pound loss each week, since we're going to be going from 190 pounds to 165 pounds at the end. And I say 1 to 2 pounds each week, but that'll be incorporating a little bit of fat loss, but also muscle gain at the same time, because we're going to be engaging in hypertrophy this whole time. And then also strength improvements. And what I mean by this is each week we'd like to see an improvement in the weight that he's going to be using for each exercise. For example, bench press. Each week I want to see him improve by 5 pounds. And if not by pounds, by reps, by 1 to 2 reps with the same weight. And I'm going to keep track of that the whole time. And then for the macro cycle, the goal here is pretty much just to get from 190 pounds to 165 pounds, overall hypertrophy throughout the whole body, and then also significant strength development. So just with each lift, we're going to be doing to increase the weight that he's using and to increase the reps along the way, like I had previously explained. And that's it.